how to start page numbers from a specific page in Word. Here's how to do it. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Place your cursor at the beginning of the page where you want the page numbering to start. Go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and select Next Page under Section Breaks. Now, double-click the header or footer on the page where you want the numbering to begin. In the Header and Footer tab, turn off Link to Previous. Next, go to Page Number, select Bottom of Page or Top of Page, and choose the page number style you want. Now click Page Number again, select Format Page Numbers, and choose Start at 1. Your page numbering will now start from this page with 1. If the previous pages still show page numbers, go back to the header or footer of those pages and delete the unwanted page numbers. Because the sections are no longer linked, this won't affect the numbering in your new section. And that's it. You've successfully started page numbers from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Word tips and tutorials.